guys, it's Mrs. Cromartie here with our third part of the series about problem and solution. All right, so I left you guys to go ahead and listen to this audio clip and write what you believe the design problems were and how the engineers solved the design problems, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and move right along. It now says, let's review. So we're going to now take a moment to review the problems with the hobby horse. So there were no pedals, and the solution was that the engineers added pedals. So if you got that for your answer, go ahead and give yourself 2 snaps on 2, 1, 2. You did that. Let's keep going. Now we're going to check for understanding. Which bicycle was the next to be developed? Was it A, the high wheeler, B, modern day, C, the hobby horse, D, the 20th century, E, the bone shaker, or F, the safety bicycle? Remember, you can always go back and look at the passage if you're unsure, okay? So you can always go back and look at this passage if you're unsure what is the correct answer, okay? So let's go back, let's go forward, I'm sorry. And now I will have a moment to check your answers. And now we're going to listen to yet another audio clip. Go ahead and press play, and it says, listen to the audio file to learn more about the bone shaker design. What are the design problems? How did engineers solve the design problems? So pause the video and take a moment to answer this in these boxes. All right, now we're going to review. A problem with the bone shaker design was, it was slow and uncomfortable, and the solution was, it had a big front wheel, which made it faster. So remember, you can always look back at the passage to answer any of these questions. Okay, guys? Let's keep going. Let's check for understanding. Which bicycle was the next to be developed? Was it A, the high wheeler, B, the modern day, C, the hobby horse, D, the 20th century, E, the safety bicycle, or F, the bone shaker? All right, take a moment and answer that. You can pause the video. Now we're gonna move right along. We're gonna do some more thinking. Listen to the audio file to learn more about the high wheeler design. What were the design problems? Read with me. How did the engineers solve the design problems? Pause the video so that you can go ahead and listen to the audio file. Then once you're done, go ahead and write what you believe the problem was and what you believe the solution was. Moving right along. One problem with the high wheeler was, it was not safe. You see that big wheel? Remember what the passage said, that it was easy for people to fall off and get hurt? A solution was, same size wheels equal a safer bicycle. Next, we're going to check for understanding. Which bicycle was the next to be developed? Is it A, the high wheeler, B, the modern day, C, the hobby horse, D, the 20th century, E, the safety bicycle, or F, the bone shaker? Now, pause the video to listen to the audio file, and you all know what to do. After you've listened to the audio file, go ahead and write what you believe the design problems were and how the engineers solved the design problems. Moving right along. The design problems were, with the safety bicycle, the metal tires equaled a bumpy ride. The solution was, rubber tires equal a smooth ride. Next, we're going to check for understanding. Which bicycle was next to be developed? Was it A, B, C, D, E, or F? And next, you already know what to do. Click the play button in the corner, listen to the audio file, and write what design problems the bicycle had and what solutions the engineers used to solve the problem. All right, we're gonna move along. One problem was with the 20th century bike is it's only one kind of bicycle. And one problem was that there was only one kind of bicycle. And the solution was bikes for work, play, exercise, and leisure. So that means that they fit all purposes, whether it was for work, whether it was for play, exercise, or just to hang out. Go ahead and answer this. Which bicycle was the last to be developed? Was it A, B, C, D, E, or F? I'm sure you know by now. Last, go ahead and listen to the audio file about modern day bicycle designs. Then answer the poll question. So pause the video to listen to the audio file, which will be here, and then answer this question or begin to think about it. Do you think that modern day bikes could still get even better? Explain. So pause the video to think about this question. Now brainstorm. What are some problems of today's bicycles and how could we solve those design problems? Go ahead and write your problems here using the text box. Write your problem. So you can start your sentence off with one problem is, and with our solutions, you can start your solutions off with one solution was. So go ahead and pause the video so that you can have a moment to do that now. All right. Now let's do some critical thinking. Engineers have been coming up with solutions to build better bicycles since the very first bike was invented. Now it's your turn. Design a bicycle of the future that will solve the problem of the bicycles designs of today. So guys, it's your turn to build a better bicycle. As you can see, I'm going to skip forward a few cards and you should see this page. It says, what do you think? Will bicycles get better in the future? Write an explanation to support your prediction. So on these lines is where you will write your explanation. I cannot wait to read all of your explanations about if bicycles will get better in the future. So go ahead and begin writing. I will see you all in our next video. Bye-bye.